Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Funmibi here again with another video. Today's video is a different one. I'm going to be answering some frequently asked questions on here on the channel. I put up a question poll on my community tab a couple of days ago, and I was asking you all if you had any questions for me relating to some of the videos that I've been, where's my hair entering my eye, that I've been putting on here on the channel. And I got just, let me even look at my community tab now. I know I got just a few questions, so I guess the majority of us do not have any major questions. But for today's video, I'm going to be going through my comment section. And you know, there are times when I see some questions and I wish I could do a voice note for you guys and just respond to your questions. So this is like my voice notes, just video style, right, to you guys, answering some of the questions that I get in the comment section of my channel, of this channel. All right, so the first question I have here is regarding my online course. If you guys remember, at the middle of this year, I was taking on students that I was helping out with, you know, starting off a headband business, beading, giving beading tutorials and all of that. I did that in the month of July, I believe, and I posted the video, even though I've taken down the video now, just talking about announcing the class. And the reception, I think in total I had just 6 people, you know, indicate that they were interested in the class, and I took them on and we had our class for the duration that I stated in that particular video. And right after that, I kept getting just trickles of people asking for the class, so I figured that maybe it was just, you know, it was just not the right time yet, so I decided to just scrap it in September. I stopped taking on students in September. So for now, that whole, you know, taking on personal students is on pause. Maybe sometime in 2023, let's see how it goes. If I see that a lot of people are interested, I'll probably bring it back, but for now I'm not taking on students. The only tutorial that I have to share with people that are interested is just the things that I share on here on YouTube. So I hope that answers that particular question. And another thing that I'm seeing here on the comments poll is questions regarding some of sewing accessories in general, right? So beads, beading needles, gems and all of that. I would have said that, oh, I've answered this question before, but I keep remembering that the family is growing. So I have, you know, there are a couple of new people on here on the channel. So I typically get sewing accessories, the beads, the gems, the stones, all the things that I use on here. I get it from sewing accessories shops, okay? I have 2 major people that I buy stuff from. I have one person in Room Mercy, and I'm yet to share the person's contact with you guys. It's just the line, for those, I'm speaking for people in Port Harcourt now, so the line at Room Mercy Market, some people call it Money Market here. So the line where they sell fabrics and tailoring stuff, that's where I typically shop from. I shop from APPLIQUÉS, okay, on that line. They call the person Daddy Chidera. So when you go to that line on at Room Mercy, just ask for Daddy Chidera's shop when you enter that fabric line, and someone will point it out to you. And at Mile 1, I buy from Mr. Chibike and Charity, and I've shared their contacts in the video where I literally went to the market because of you people and showed you their shops and all of that. So if you are yet to see that video, I'm going to link it on the screen, and I'm speaking just for people living out here in Port Harcourt. If you don't mind, you know, having people, the vendors that I've shared on here, if you don't mind them shipping to you in your own location within Nigeria, that's your call, right? I dropped the phone number of those people in the comments, in the description bar of that video, so check it out. Feel free to reach out to them. I actually, fun fact, I met one of us at Charity's shop last month, because this is already ending of November when I'm filming this video. So yeah, people are already reaching out to those vendors from my channel basically, so feel free to reach out to them and talk to them. And then I also posted a tutorial earlier today talking about stencils. I got my stencil from an Instagram vendor. I think she's called Crafties for All or something like that. I'm going to try and link her name on here on the screen. So I bought my stencils from her, and I believe she usually sells them, so you can reach out to her via Instagram and talk to her and let her know that you're coming from me. What else do I get questions questions about headbands as well? Plastic headbands, I've shared a video as well, but we have new people here. So I buy headbands from sewing accessories shop in my area. So sometimes I buy from a shop sewing accessory shop in my neighborhood, or other times if I find myself in a big market like some of the markets that I just spoke about earlier on, I buy in bulk from those places. And I also sometimes shop for, another thing I should mention is I sometimes shop for accessories from online stores, right? So from a place like maybe Amazon. Sometimes I buy my scissors, my cutting tools, my scissors, my thread snippers, and what else, I recently bought a new glue, and I'm going to share it in a tutorial coming up really soon. So I got those from Amazon, and other times I buy stuff from AliExpress. It really varies depending on what I'm shopping for and how soon I need it. What else? Questions relating to fabrics as well. One thing I found is people don't watch videos all the way through, so most times I find that people ask me questions that I've already answered in videos, okay? And yeah, sometimes depending on how busy I am, if I have the time, I'll answer it. Other times I'll just refer you to the video. But basically fabrics, anytime I'm making any tutorial, I usually mention the name of the fabric I'm using. So, and if for any reason I forgot to mention the name of the fabric, I typically pin it in the comment section or I write it down in the description. So this is another thing for you guys. Feel free to check out the description of my videos when you come on here on the channel to watch anything. Check the description to be sure that I've not talked about what you're asking about, or check my comment section as well. Sometimes if I watch my video after uploading on YouTube and I see that there's an information that is missing, most times I usually pin it in the comment section. Or even sometimes it's probably one of us that usually calls my attention and they tell me, oh, you didn't say this. And when I actually watch and see that I didn't say it, I usually pin it in the comment section. And I think that's pretty much it for this video. I don't think there's any other thing. And yeah, guys, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. It's just, like I said, me answering some frequently asked questions on here on the channel. So that's it. If you did enjoy this cute little video, please be sure to give me a big fat thumbs up. And I've also been thinking of doing a YouTube live with us on here on the channel, but the only thing restricting me from doing that is I don't know the reception. I don't know if we are interested in having us, you know, just conversation, right? Just talking, asking us how it's going, how for those that own businesses, how the headband business industry is doing, and just sharing knowledge with each other. That's something I'm thinking about, but because I don't know how interested most of us are in that kind of thing, that's the only thing holding me back. So if you made it up to this point in the video and you think we should totally have a YouTube live, let me know down in the comments, and I'll definitely schedule something for us, you know, during this festive season, this holiday season, just to chat and just communicate with each other. We are on our way to 15K, and it's so amazing how the family has grown. Thank you guys. Thank you to all the new people on here. Thank you to my previous subscribers. The gorgeous girls family is growing and is thriving, and I love to see it. Thank you guys so much. So I'm going to stop talking now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, okay? Please like the video like that, okay? Hit the like button, subscribe if you're yet to, and all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I can't wait to see you in another video really soon. Bye bye.